This activity is entitled Division with a Decimal Divisor. The objective of this activity is to understand how to divide the numbers when the divisor contains a decimal and we have to convert it into a whole number and then perform the division correctly. Let's understand the concept behind the trick first. Now suppose there is a whole number x which is being divided by 0.1. Since 0.1 is actually equal to 1 upon 10, dividing by 1 upon 10 is equivalent to multiplying by 10. So the product will be 10x. Now you can actually change the divisor and you will find that converting this divisor into a fraction helps. Suppose now the divisor is 0.2. Now we know that 0.2 is 2 upon 10. So I will not convert this in the simplest form. Rather, I will write x upon 2 upon 10. And so 2 upon 10 becomes 10 upon 2 and gets multiplied by x. So practically this is multiplying by 5. So this is how decimal division is to be understood. The divisor which we have taken in this activity will range from 0.1 and we will have little typical divisors also like 0.1 to 5 also. Let's see what is the material required to perform this activity. We require some number cards which we call the dividend number cards, and we will be writing whole numbers from 21 to 50 on the number cards. Likewise, we have some more number cards which are the divisor number cards, and we have taken some specific divisors like 0.1, 0.5, 0.2, 0.25, 0.4, 0.8, 0.01, 0.0001, 2.5, 1.25, 0.16 and 1.6. Then we require paper or chart paper and then the regular things like pencil, pen and ruler, compass for the drawing part. Let's see how to perform this amazing activity now. To perform this activity on division of decimal numbers, we have taken some whole number cards. So as you can see here, we have written various whole numbers on cards. So the students are advised to choose any whole numbers, preferably 2-digit numbers, so that the division problem is not that big. So these are all whole number cards, and then we have the divisors which are in decimals. As you can see here, we have some circular cards on which we have written various decimal numbers like 2.5, 0.01, 0.8, 0.1 and all these different divisors. So the two types of cards are the dividend cards and the divisor cards. Only the divisor contains a decimal. We are not taking up both decimals. So what the student will do in the first trial is they will pick up one card from the whole number card. So they will have to place it upside down here, face down, so that there is no choice and they can pick it randomly. And likewise, they can have these cards face down like this. So now they will be picking one card from the dividends. So let's pick up one card from here and we find that the card shows the number 50. So the dividend comes out to be 50 and let's keep the card here 50, and we have one divisor. Let's take the divisor. It is 0.5. So our problem now becomes 0.5. This is the divisor, so we will write it later on, and then the first number dividend is 50. So this is the division expression, and once you divide 50 by 0.5, they have to do it on the rough sheet here. When you divide 50 by 0.5, 0.5 is practically 5 upon 10. So if they write it like this, 5 upon 10, so they'll have to do 50 times 10 upon 5. And so the 5 cancels 10 two times, and 50 into 2 gives 100 as the result or the quotient. Now this activity can be performed any number of times. So I'll do one more time. Let's pick up another card from the whole number cards the card comes out to be 43. So the dividend for the second trial is 43. We can keep it here so that we don't reuse it, and then let's pick up another card. It is 0.1, which is the divisor. So the division expression is 43 divided by 0.1. So again the same calculation has to be done by the student. 43 by 0.1, so 43 upon 1 upon 10, and 43 times 10 upon 1 will give the answer 430. So the result or the quotient is 430. Now the students are advised to repeat this activity at least 7 to 8 times so that various dividend numbers and various decimal divisors can be practiced, and that will complete your activity on division of a whole number by a decimal.